Hey beauty family, welcome to another weekend vlog. It is currently 1:39. Yay, it's not 4. Today is Friday, February 2nd. I'm here with my mama. Say hi, mommy.
Hello.
We're on our way to grab some lunch. We're gonna go to Las Brisas. You guys have seen that restaurant before. We're gonna head over there and grab some lunch because I am hungry. We just got here, guys. Here are chips and a salsa. My mommy, ¿qué vas a agarrar, ma?
Chile relleno en beef taco, crispy taco.
We came like 2 days ago and I got this and I fell in love with it, so I'm gonna get this. We just got our food, you guys. This is my food right here. 2 taquitos, rice and beans. My mom is getting her taco ready with enchilada. What? No, ¿qué es eso?
Chile relleno
rice
and beef crispy taco.
Time to dig in. So guys, we finished eating. The food was so delicious. ¿Cómo estuvo la comida?
Deliciosa, riquísimo.
So good. Pero ahora me siento como una chinche. I'm so full. So we just got to TJ Maxx. Let's see if there's anything good in there. So I always see people find like Anastasia Beverly Hills, stuff like that here at TJ Maxx, and I never find anything good. Freaking sucks. What do you guys think about these? Yay or nay? I've been wanting some shoes like this. I don't know why. Look, you guys, this is my outfit. I forgot to show you guys. Cute. This is so cute. Hello, gorgeous. And then I like this one too. So it's much later on in the day, you guys. It's about 7:20. I guess who's with me?
Better be me. Or else who?
And guess where we are at? Of course. I feel like.
But now in Chino Hills.
Yeah, we're in Chino Hills. I feel like in every vlog we come to the 99 cent store. I came to look for some letters because I don't know if you guys saw. I think was it the last vlog where I was looking for some letters so I can spell out Nicholas' name. I just need the I and the A, so we're gonna see if they're here. Hopefully they are. This is Omar's favorite section right here.
What is?
Tools. Even though he doesn't buy anything, but he likes to look.
Even though I know what's here, I still like to look at it.
Yeah.
I know exactly where everything's at.
Shut
what they
up.
have.
But look.
Okay.
Las puertas.
Oh, what the heck? Mobile. I've been wanting to order some of these on Geek.
Where are they?
Mobile gaming joysticks.
What do you want that for?
Can I play?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, I'll take them.
I spy them, you guys. I hope they have what I need. Okay, I see an A. Yay! I just need the I now. And the I.
Is it complete now?
Yeah. We just needed the A and the I. But now we can finally put it up on.
Show me your belly. Let me see. So big.
You guys, I'm so proud of us because we only walked out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Oh my god. Hold on, guys. We're too dark. As I was saying, I'm so proud of. Look, you see? 25 cents.
No way.
I've never seen this before. You have to pay 25 cents.
Say it again.
You have to pay 25 cents to use a cart, and we're in Chino Hills. Really? Are you? What the heck? Guys, I've been wanting some shoes like this so bad. So freaking, I know they look like old lady shoes, but I really want some of these. I think they're so cool. I think I'm gonna get these right here. These ones, they're on sale. And these little chancletas. We got ourselves a winner. There's Omar carrying the mirror. Good for you, don't scratch it with the keys, boy. We're gonna call it night, guys. We're gonna watch our show on Netflix, La Ingobernable. You guys should watch it if you guys like Spanish shows. Can you pause it? Jeez. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good afternoon, beauty family. Today is February 3rd. It is 5:06. There is a hubby. Don't mind our doors, we still have our Christmas stuff up. We're already in February. Right now we're heading to...
That's those Mexicans right there.
Yep. Right now we're heading to a baby shower. No, not for me, guys. This time is for someone else, finally. We're heading to a baby shower. We're gonna go for a bit because I want to go to the mall today. You can even see you. So we're at the mall now. What time is it? Like 7 something?
7:30.
7:30. We have an hour to get stuff done. Right now we're gonna head to Tilly's first. Oh yeah, it's like almost the same thing. So I'm gonna go to Sephora when I get a new foundation. So hopefully I find my shade, and we will see. Are we gonna eat anything today?
There's already frijoles en la casa. Frijoles con tortilla, con quesito. Vámonos, papá.
Oh hell no.
Why not?
It's the weekend, boy. I'm trying to eat out.
I'm trying to eat in, save some money.
Heck no. Okay, I'll see you guys right now at Sephora. So I'm thinking of getting this one, guys. These little kits. They had some for like Christmas. Did I tell Omar to buy me one and he didn't? Now they're more expensive and they're like the travel size. So I'm just gonna get the travel size one because there's no more kits for these ones. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get this one right here for 25 bucks.
Are they any good?
It has these 3 colors. This one I can't tell because it's already out, so I can't really tell. But these 2 I like.
Sparkly.
Sparkle light.
Hey. What up, y'all?
We waiting for some help? Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna get this foundation, right? Okay. I wanna see. This is where we got. This is where Omar got my beautiful ring.
Kevin Jewelers. Because of a ring, I was in debt for like 6 years.
No, cierto.
No, I was in debt for like
2 years.
Like 2-3 years I was in debt.
Now it's officially mine.
That's true or not?
That's very true. We're gonna get some Domino's pizza. We decided to get some pizza. We're gonna watch a movie with my family at home and call it a night, y'all.
Take your foot off my dash, girl.
Omar doesn't like me. I'm putting my feet on the dashboard because he's saying that if I crash them, my freaking leg is gonna chop off.
Well, that's one of them, man. Come on, I gotta take care of my baby. She's old already. She's a 99.
I'm your baby.
Yeah, but I gotta take care of my baby too. My first baby, and then you might not.
I'm your first baby. Oh, yeah. What the heck? You had me before her.
Did
you jerk. Yes. Hey guys, we're home. I want to show you guys my outfit. I haven't showed you guys my outfit today. So I'm wearing this dress with my little sandals. You guys look at Nicholas. He is so freaking huge. I can't believe it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. And here's my babies, Smokey. This is Smokey and this is Coco. Hi, emotions. Hi, 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 hi. You're silly. Here's our pizza, guys.
Sí, me compró un cocinero. Okay. Vamos a tener que quitar todas esas cocinas.
Good afternoon, beauty family. It is 3:57, February 4th, Sunday. There's Omar. Right now, where are we going?
casa de mi mamá.
We're going to Omar's mom's house. She's gonna make some food. It's not ready yet. She's gonna make tacos dorados de pollo. I was trying to make time to wait for my mom, but she's not home yet. She went to church, but she's usually home by now.
Well, Mom, if you're watching this, I miss you.
Mami, por favor, contéstame. What I'm thinking of doing is I'm gonna call her, and when she answers, I'm gonna tell her that I'm at the hospital because Nicholas is coming. Bueno.
¿Aló?
Mami,
¿Qué pasó?
estoy acá en el hospital.
¿En cuál?
En el San Antonio.
Ok, ahí voy para allá. De aquí de la iglesia voy. Bye. ¿Quién está contigo?
Omar, ahorita Omar, apenas acabamos de llegar.
Ok, mija, ahí voy para allá. Bye, bye.
Bye. Oh my god, I'm crying.
Wow, what the? Why are you crying?
That's such a good actor. Let me call her back. Oh my god, what if she doesn't answer? Holy cow. Oh my god. Mami, no te creas.
Estúpida. ¡Oh! ¡No sabes lo que te contó tu madre! This is not funny.
Ay, ¿por qué? Porque no me contestas. ¿Qué tal si estaba allá en el hospital?
¿No ves que tenía como entra ahorita estaba terminando el servicio?
Okay, love you. Bye.
Hija de toda tu madre. Ya le iba a matar a la Rebeca y habla. Ay, hija de los ojos. Bye.
Love you. Bye. There it is, you guys. Mami, te quiero mucho, okay? I love you.
We're right here cooking up the ingredients to put on the tacos. ¿Qué que les enseña la cara o no?
No.
¿Por qué?
No.
¿Y a ti, Mari?
Yo a mí ni las manos son me quedo para cocinar.
What are you doing? Oh,
Pulling over little tortillas, guys.
How do you do it?
Alright, hold on. You grab the tortilla.
Uh-huh.
You put some chicken in there.
Chale
For Omar.
sin miedo.
Depending how much you want in there. Then you just roll it up. And then you just place it in there. And that's it.
No me vaya a quemar, Omar.
These are taquitos, guys.
¿No trajiste la cuchara, Miguel?
Sí.
Guacamole.
Yo no conocía a nadie, yo creo.
We came to Rite Aid to get some ice cream.
Look, guys.
So we gotta
You buy one, you
get one free. You got strawberry?
I think it's good to be true though.
Let's check.
Wait, no, we're gonna check right now.
$5. Go ahead and slide it for debit.
Don't look.
So what's true,
So
guys?
what's true?
Buy
Look
one,
at
get
that.
one free
Buy
with
one, get one free at the Chino Rite Aid. Come through, guys.
Only if you have a card though. If you don't have a card, then.
Alright, tell them what we're gonna do right now.
So, what are you gonna eat? Strawberry?
Strawberry. You gotta open it up first. I get my blade out real
Ahí
quick.
vas.
Don't blink, guys.
Better hurry up, because the camera's gonna die.
Slice this open real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how I eat my ice cream. Look, you get some? Put some ice cream in a bowl. This should be enough. Agarras tu leche. Kind of like a little milkshake, you know? Just a little bit, don't get overcarried.
Don't get carried away.
Don't get carried away.
Overcarried? What the heck?
Just kind of mush it around a little bit. So the milk could soak in the ice cream. Mmm.
That's good.
It's good right now.
What are you eating? Some chicken wings. They're hot wings, so what do you expect?
You know, we out here with them chicken wing, hot dog, and damn it! You know how there was like that one thing
You know how there's that one riddle thing? Like chicken wings, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni. Good.
Good.
We should have bought some cones, huh?
Bam, that's one.
I think with two is fine because I'm gonna get strawberry too. Alright guys, we're gonna dig in real quick. Catch you in a few seconds. Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I know this vlog wasn't that long, but really didn't do that much this weekend. So yeah, that's it for this vlog weekend. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of the beauty family. And we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye guys. You gonna say bye?
Later guys, till next time.
Look at the camera, Jesus.
Huh? Oh
my god.
What do you want to tell them?
Say bye.
A rato.
A rato pato.